Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook batter at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. This helps create a smoother, lump-free batter. Now, let's combine them carefully for the perfect consistency. Achieving the right consistency is key to delicious batter. Start by sifting your dry ingredients together. This simple step prevents lumps and ensures everything is evenly distributed. Next, make a small well in the center of your dry mixture before pouring in the wet ingredients. Gently mix until everything is just combined. Overmixing can develop gluten, leading to a tough, chewy result, so stop as soon as it's smooth. Now, let's get to cooking. Heat your pan or griddle to a medium temperature. This ensures even cooking without burning the outside before the inside is done. Add a small amount of oil or butter, about 1 teaspoon, to prevent sticking and add a lovely golden finish. Pour approximately 1/4 cup of batter for each item. Wait until you see bubbles forming on the surface before carefully flipping it over. For truly delicious results, here are a few extra tips. Allowing your batter to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking helps the flour fully hydrate, leading to a more tender product. If your batter seems too thick or thin, adjust the liquid content by adding 1 tablespoon of milk or flour at a time. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavorings like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon for a delightful twist.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.